Do you keep telling yourself that you will start building an online business, but you are too tired after work, and that you will start building it once you have more energy and once life is a bit easier? But every morning you get ready for work, whether you have energy or not, but yet you have the nerve to put off starting an online business. But in the meantime, you get up for work no matter how much energy you have, but yet you won't make a sacrifice for starting your own online business. Let that sink in. But yet you want financial freedom. You spend the whole day solving problems, helping others, and meeting deadlines. But yet you won't help yourself and set deadlines and deadlines for your goals, and yet you won't go after your own goals. Then you come home to more responsibilities. By the time you do have time for yourself, you feel so exhausted. This does not mean that you are lazy or that you don't want a better life bad enough for yourself. You are trying to build something for yourself after work, but life has already taken so much of your energy. The answer is not to put more pressure on yourself. You need a simple plan or structure to tell you what to do, when to do it, how to do it. You need a step-by-step structure. And that is why the Freedom Formula Blueprint Guide was created. It is absolutely free. It was created for working women who wants to explore digital marketing but does not have hours to waste every day on confusion. Inside the free guide you will learn where a complete beginner can start, how to focus on one audience instead of everyone, how to create a clear business message, how your content connects to an offer, what keeps beginners stuck in information overload, how to create a simple routine around your existing schedule. You do not need to work on your business all day. You do not need to learn everything all at once.